Bruce, big up yourself. Nero, Arrow, and all contestants, big respect. Selector, big respect. Look at the tune there, and I no time for waves. Should I? Should I? Should I have faith in you? And should I put my trust in you? And should you let me down? Now should I float around? Now why should I think this way? Just thinking that you're going away. For there ain't no way to stay together anymore. Am I to go on now, living this way? Acting like a child so young and happy. You don't know what it means to be loved. You don't know how it feels to be young. Oh no, no, oh no, hey. And I won't come down on you with lightning, brimstone or fire, 'cause in my heart that isn't know what I require. And my desire is for you to be true and strong. And maybe someday we'll get to know just where you went wrong. Am I to go on now, living this way? Acting like a child so young and happy. You don't know what it means to be loved. No, you don't know how it feels to be young. Oh no, no, oh no, no. You don't know. No, you don't know what it means to be loved. You don't know. You don't know what it means to be young. Oh no, no.
Great singer, Major Jackson. Hey, thank you for that one. You know what I mean? Hey man, find a big one on in Ara General. So starting with our first judge, Ara General.
Major Jackson. Fire phone here get low though. Yehovah's. Well, we don't know when it comes on to vocals, Major Jackson is one of the best in this competition to grace us with his vocals. You see me I deal with, so we're fully confident and believing that Major Jackson when he forward on to vocals. You see me? But me think Major Jackson get comfortably you know. Yehovah's when I deal with because you don't know. You see me? Then when your vocal speak for itself, you see me? But me personally, like the original Major Jackson songs them.
Yeah.
You see me I deal with. So you don't know, with that said is a 7, you see me? Or really?
Yes, Major. Sound good as usual, you know? Nothing wrong with the performance at all. But like what Arrow said, I have to agree with Arrow. I love the original them. You understand? And you know I follow all of your work, the man thing. The song sound good and all. You understand? But if I give one 10, I have to give one 9. Right? So just because I don't want to hear original. And I them they will want for a show about.
Alright, thank you for that, Bruce. Nero Malisha.
Big artist, man, said we, you know. But as I say, we need more of your materials. And, you know, I mean, I go forever cuss for that, you know. You know what I mean? So big up yourself, Major Jackson, make you a 9 also, you see me? Big up yourself.
Alright, thank you for that, Nero Malisha. 100% talent, Jamaica. Major Jackson singing for Jamaica on the wall. Big up yourself, my boss.